How to use Binance Cashback Voucher. Hello and welcome to Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily use the Binance Cashback Voucher. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up the Binance app. Then once you're in the Binance app, you have to tap on your profile in the top left corner here. And then here you have to tap on Reward Center. Wait for it to load, and once it's loaded you will see here all of your vouchers. This is one of mine expired voucher, but if you have a code you can tap on here voucher code and then here enter the code, and after that tap on claim voucher. If the voucher code is correct, your voucher will be claimed. And so this is how you can use Binance Cashback Voucher. Thanks for watching.